Okay, keep opening it.
Oh, it's a good book.
It's a good book.
Yeah. Oh, we got take this off.
Okay. Oh, you don't want to ruin that. Okay.
All right, let's take
We can take it off a bit. There you go.
Oh, that's from Peggy.
Oh, he wants everything off of it. He wants it to be nice and good.
Oh,
So you can
that's a
still
nice
use it again.
bow.
He wants it so you can still use it again.
What is this? Who's in here?
It's from Peggy.
From Peggy. I give you. What does it say? What does it say? Oh, look at those red shoes. This is from Peggy.
What does it say?
Oh wow, there's a game on the back. Look.
It's if you give a mouse a cookie. I love that book.
Oh, it's if you give a mouse a cookie.
I love that book.
It's a good book. This is a game.
Eat a cookie.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the cover. If you give a mouse a cookie, special edition, celebrating 25 years.
I'm gonna get a cookie for a mouse.
Merry
Someone
Christmas.
give to them up, we'll
Hope
open
to
it.
meet Oscar soon. Oh.
Oh, I see.
Look, he lives in that tree.
Santa.
Yeah, that's such a nice gift.
Want to open more gifts, people?
Okay, open more gifts.
Or
Oscar, do you want to open this gift?